everybody, I'm Mrs. Rowe, and welcome to Rowe Country, where we're striving for peaceful and pretty on a half acre. If you're new to my channel, stick around by clicking that subscribe button. Then click that little bell so that you'll be sure to catch all of the content that we'll be sharing with you. I'm a new content creator on YouTube, and I plan to share some crafting videos about our country living, some home decor videos. I'm also a true Dollar Tree-aholic, so I'll be sharing some Dollar Tree DIYs, some Dollar Tree hauls, and even some shop with me as well. And because Mr. Rowe and I are on the journey to become debt-free, I'll be sharing some budget shopping tips, some overall budget tips, and even some debt elimination tips, and some check-ins from time to time. I hope you'll stick around and become part of our YouTube family. So don't forget to click that subscribe button and to turn on those notifications. Right now I plan to be uploading weekly. Until next time, I'll see you in Rowe Country. Bye for now.